Here I have ALCATEL 3V, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system, date and time, and here you can change your date, here you can change your time, here you can select your time zone, and here you can change your time format from 24-hour to the 12-hour format. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.